Good morning, students. Hope you are keeping fine. Is it? Okay. Please take your workbook today. Literature workbook. Okay. Today we'll do something on the workbook. This is your practice book actually. What we learn in literature for your little more than what is given in the book of literature. In that lesson we are going to do something more, and this is both for the prose and the poetry, grammar, not poetry, the grammar part. And so please take your book and the pencil in hand. Okay, so okay, vocabulary. What is this vocabulary? Vocabulary means word meaning. Vocabulary. Simile. Simile is a compares. Simile compares two unlike things. Unlike means opposite things using the word like or as. Unlike two things, like or as. For example, he is as strong as an elephant. Okay, so is strong. Compares between the two. My sandwich is as cold as ice. So sandwich is compared with ice, two opposite things. Her eyes shone like diamonds. Her eyes is looking like diamond. Okay, compared to her eyes is compared to the diamonds shining. The cat's fur is soft like velvet. You know what is velvet? I'm sure you may have in your homes a cloth or bed sheet or what called even the tablecloth, even the sofa, your what called curtains, certain curtains, they are of velvet. Velvet means a small fur like things. You have the towel with a big towel with fur. Similarly, bed sheet or sheet of cloth with fur is known as velvet. Okay, so velvet. So the cat's fur is soft like velvet. Now let's come to the exercise now. So let us do these examples as this example has been done. So here are some words given in the blocks, and the sentences, 12 sentences, 12 words are given, and so we will do one by one. The girl was dash like sugar. The girl was dash like sugar. What was like sugar? Sugar is what? What kind of sugar? Taste what? Sweet. Sugar tastes sweet. So sweet. Number 2. Did you get the word in the block? Yes. Number 2. That's a pretty dress. That's a pretty dress. It's as dash as a rainbow. How is the rainbow? Have you seen how many colors are there in the rainbow? I will not tell. You find it out and write in one word. Write in one word. What is that? One word. Make a word of all those colors. You see what it becomes. A word. It becomes a word. Please write down. Okay. So colorful. Colorful. Looks colorful. Number 3, be quiet. Quiet. Quiet means silence. See the spelling, quiet and quiet. There are two types of these similar sounds. Phonetics is same, similar phonetics. Quiet, quiet. Quiet, quiet. Quiet, quiet. So here, be quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. The other one is Q-U-I-T-E. So, be quiet. You are as dash as a herd of elephant. As noisy. Noisy. See that. Next one is number 4. Are you feeling sick? He looks like you're feeling sick. You are as dash as a ghost. And is looking so lean and thin, not fresh. Everything has gone inside, no flesh. Then it is looks like a this is a skeleton. So it is a ghost. You are as pale as a ghost. Number 5. The boy ran like he ran like a sloth. Have you seen sloth? An animal called sloth. You know, boy will not run like sloth. He will run like deer. Is there deer there? No. In the block there is no deer. What is there? Lightning, thunder and lightning, flash. So very fast. She is, number 6. She is as dash as an owl. Owl. Is not an ash. She is an owl. Owl is a wise, considered to be wise. So she is as wise as an owl. Number 7. The land there was as dash as pancake. Have you seen the pancake? You might have eaten also. So pancake. So pancake is a how it is? Flat. That line is flat or plain, flat. Number 8. The aeroplane soars like an dash. Soars means what? S-O-A-R-E. Soar. One is soar. S-O-R-E. Soar. Throat soar. Soar. Throat soar. Or lip soar. Tongue soar. Okay. Soar means S-O-R is wound. But here it is soar. S-O-A. Soar. What is that? Here there, see in the blocks, what is that word that tells, that is goes like that? Eagle. What is that? Eagle. Aeroplane soars like an eagle. Number 9. The poor dog is as dash as a toothpick. Have you seen toothpick? What is that toothpick? Toothpick? Oh yes. You might be attending the party and you get one toothpick, okay, at the end with pan. Okay, so toothpick. The poor dog is as thin as a toothpick. Number 10. The broken glass is as dash as a razor. Razor is, have you seen your father? Razor. This is called razor. Okay. So early morning your parent, your father shaving razor. So is how it is? It's very sharp. So yes, the poor yes, the broken glass is as sharp as a razor. Number 11. The pillow is as dash as air. Air is what? Light. No, you will say heavy. According to science, it is heavy, no? But here it is light. Number 12. In his new outfit. What is this outfit? Outfit means he's wearing, he has wore pant shirts or skirts. or gown, outfit. In his new outfit, the baby looks as button, as bright, where it is, the first word in the box. Okay, so this is what we have completed. Next one is, here it is. What is abbreviation? An abbreviation is a short form of the word or a phrase. Abbreviation used for convenience, as they save time and space. So when there is no space, you write in a short form. That is called abbreviation. So Mr. is a Mr. Number 2, number 1 is number G. Number 2 is number J. That is postscript. Okay. Number 3 is Mrs. Have you seen? Did you get the Mrs.? No, there is no Mrs. It's a mistress. Number 4, AVE. Avenue means place. Avenue, campus, avenue. Okay, venue or avenue. Venue is St. Paul's Garden. Today there is a cricket match. Venue is St. Paul's ground. Venue, the place. DR, doctor, naturally. See the doctor. ST, it is not ST Paul here. Here it is a street. Number 7. Number TSP. Teaspoon. Did you get the teaspoon? Number C. Number 8. MA. What is it? Master of Arts. MA. My father is an MA. That means he has completed MA. My mother is an MA. So I have put an MA. Mind that word. Why I put not a M starts is a consonant, but I have put an MA. Why? It's a phonetic. It sounds E sound is there. Therefore, an is used. An MA, not AMA. Okay. Mind that. Number 9. cm, centimeter. Did you get the centimeter? Number F. Number 10, VP, not VIP. I is missing there. VP is Vice President. Number D. Okay. Shall we go further? Yes. Punctuation is very important. Punctuation. Here, number 1, punctuation means comma, semicolon, colon, then full stop, capital letter, exclamatory mark, interrogative marks. All these are, wherever they are put to punctuate, to stop. Punctuate means take a stop, take a breath and go further, or modulate your voice and the sound. So it is in the sentence. So number 1, Roma likes to go rowing on Sundays. Rowing, you know what is this rowing? Rowing. Okay. So you please do this and we'll see that light has gone off. Okay. See you.